Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to change the font size to small in WhatsApp. Whether you're looking to save screen space or prefer a more compact view, this quick tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the app. Tap on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Next, tap on Chats. This section contains all the settings related to your chat appearance and functionality. Now, look for an option called Font Size and tap on it. Here, you'll see three options: small, medium, and large. To make the font smaller, simply select Small. Once you've chosen Small, confirm your selection by tapping OK. That's it. Your chat font size will now be updated to the smaller setting. This adjustment will make all your chats appear in a more compact format, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined view. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.